Good afternoon, students. So today we are conducting lab 9. In this lab we are starting 8086 emulation. So to perform this, we will perform this program, write a program to add two 8-bit number using 8086. Second one is write a program to add two 16-bit number using 8086. Third one is write a program to subtract two 8-bit number. Fourth one is write a program to subtract 16-bit number. Fifth is write a program to multiply 8-bit number, and write a program to multiply two 16-bit number. So to perform this program, we required one emulator, that is a EMU8086 emulator. This is a window-based emulator. It's available online free of cost. You can find out this thing on the GitHub, as well as you can just type in a Google EMU8086. You will find this emulator. The second option, you also having emulator in mobile, Android based, but that emulator 8086 later is price based. It's I think 70 rupees you have to pay to run this particular emulator. In Android you don't have a free emulator for 8086. Okay, so I'm using this EMU 8086 emulator window based. So if you wanted to use free of course, you have to prefer this one. Okay, now to perform the program, you need to understand the name of the register. So in 8086 you have a register AX, BX, CX, TX. We already discussed in the class. AX is a 16-bit register. We can divide into AL and AH. AL is a lower byte, AH is a higher byte. Lower byte means 8-bit and 8-bit. BX is also having a lower and a higher. To perform this program, we require three instructions. First instruction is move. Move is copy and load both. So if I am writing AX comma BX, so BX data will be copied to the AX register. That is the meaning of move AX comma BX. Second instruction, if I am writing register AL comma 12H, so this 12H value will be loaded to AL after the execution of this instruction, means AL equals to 12H. Okay, I can write this instruction in this form also. If I am writing AX comma 1 2 3 4H, so this AX will be loaded with 1 2 3 4H, means this 12H will be loaded in AL and 34 in AH. Okay, and for addition you have instruction add. You have to write two register name which you wanted to add, AX comma BX. So the meaning of AX equals to AX plus BX, means after addition of this thing your result will be in AX. And the last instruction which you required, HLT, which the meaning of this, to stop the execution of the program. Okay, so these instruction you require to write the code in the emulator. So I'm writing the code. You can see here move AL comma 12H. So this 12H is an 8-bit value. I'm loading in AL register. Then I'm loading 23H in BL register. Then I'm writing AL comma BL. So after this my result will be 35H, which will be stored in AX register. In AX, which part you will see? AL. And HLT is to stop the execution of program. Now next I'm moving to the emulator. Here you can see this is my emulator window. I'm so sorry I can't able to zoom this particular window, but I wrote the same code whatever I written there. Move AL comma 12H, move BL comma 23H, move AL comma BL HLT. I didn't put any semicolon after every line. Okay, now next thing what we have to do in emulator, I have to save this one. Save as. So I'm giving the name of this one is assume it I'm giving the name add 8-bit. So I'm saving this one. They said already because I already write this code. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to emulate. In emulate you can see this window will open. Here you can see you have a register. So after the execution of program your register content will be reflected. Okay, and this is your code. So what I have to do, you next you have to load the program, and your program is already loaded. We can see this one. Okay, so your program is already loaded. What we have to do, we have to run it. So you can see when you are running the program, your AL register, your AX AL register is 35H, and you can see your BL is 23H. So BX may BL part contain 23H. So in that way your result will be reflected. Now I'm just stopping the execution of this program. Okay, now I'm stopping, then I'm just closing this thing. Now I'm testing the second code. So for the second code, I'm just again clicking new folder. Then I'm writing the code. Move ax comma 1234h. uh, I'm writing in a small letter, not in caps. Move ax comma 1234h. Move bx comma 1234h. Then add ax comma bx. Then I'm writing hlt. Okay, so this is my code. Now I'm again saving this one. Save as. I'm writing add 16. Now this add 16 I'm writing, and I'm saving this one. And then I'm again emulating this thing. They said it insufficient operand. Okay, I forget to put a comma between bx and 1234h. So here I missed the comma between this one. I'm again saving the same file. Okay, I'm again saving the file. Then I am again emulating. Yes, my program is correct. You can see that my program is here. Now what I have to do, it's already loaded. If you wanted to load, you can load it, but it's already loaded when you are doing emulate. Then run. You can see once I did the run, you can see AX is a 246 set and BX is a 1234. So this is the simulation part of your 8086 programming. Okay, so rest of the program you have to perform by your own. You have to use such instruction. I'm writing the name of this instruction. To perform the subtraction, you can use that instruction sub. You can use that instruction sub. Same syntax will be there, ax comma base. You can use any register. For the multiplication, you can write mul. If you wanted to multiply with a bx, so the meaning of equals to ax equals to ax into bx. That is the meaning of that. You can write the division instruction also. You have to give the name of second register cx. So the meaning is equals to ax equals to ax by cx. So the meaning of this, you can find out ki ax is the by default register if you are assigning the name of second register. So you have to require this particular instruction to perform the rest of the program. So for today lab, you have to perform this rest of the code from C to F by your own. I already wrote the instruction. You can utilize this instruction and perform the code. Okay, to perform the 8-bit, you have to use either BL, BH, CL, CH. Here also AL, BL, whatever you wanted to use. Okay, so you can use that thing. And if you have any doubt, I am available here. Thank you.